Hey, what's up? Today we're gonna be making bolillos. Crispy crust, fluffy inside. Mexico's answer to the baguette with sourdough twist, of course, to make any tortas. Let's make it, shall we? In a medium-sized bowl, add 8 grams salt, 8 grams sugar, of course it's optional for the color, 100 grams active starter, 250 gram water. I have 15 gram olive oil. Originally they use lard or shortening. Time to mix a little bit. Last but not least, 400 gram bread strong flour. Mixy mixy. Once you had a shaggy dough like this, don't bother yourself, cover it up and let it rest for 30 minutes. Time to knead. You can use a little bit of flour. I'm gonna bring it on the surface and knead this bad boy. You can use a slap and fold, whatever technique you know, just knead it and bring it together. Smooth and elastic. How to know it's ready? Press it. When it bounces back right away, it's ready. Into the bowl, I'm gonna cover it up and let it rise. My room temperature is around 27 degrees Celsius. It might take something between 3 to 4 hours. The dough is almost double its size. It's puffy, airy. If I poke any part of the dough, it's gonna bounce back slowly. Use a little bit of flour or water up the surface slightly and bring it on the surface. And then separate it into the pieces. Can be 4 big pieces or 6 smaller pieces. Then I'm gonna pre-shape them like demi baguettes. Something like this. Let them rest for 10 minutes. Shaping time. Let them proof. Meanwhile, let me show you my oven adjustment. I have one baking steel at top rack and one upside down tray at bottom rack and another extra cast iron pan. Later on, I'm gonna pour boiling water on that and create lots of steam. Time to score and bake them. Let me show you how I know they proofed well. Again, they are puffy and airy, and when you poke one of them, it's gonna bounce back slowly. Another one. Did you see that? Forget to get the scoring part, but we need one deep score right in the middle. And I score a few of them like baguette. Into the preheated oven at 230 degrees Celsius. I'm gonna bake them for 5 minutes with steam. Then remove the steam, move them to the upper rack and bake for another 10 to 15 minutes. Or until they are crusty and golden brown. These beautiful bolillos can be a good match with any kind of torta you like. Keep baking and take a good care of yourself.